Do employers have to pay for jury duty leave? Imagine being called for jury duty and wondering if your paycheck will keep coming while you serve. It's a common question that many employees ask when they get that jury summons. Under federal law, employers are not required to pay employees for the time they spend on jury duty. The Fair Labor Standards Act does not mandate wages during jury service, so whether you get paid depends on your state laws or your employer's policies. Many companies choose to pay employees during jury duty as a benefit, but it is not a legal obligation at the federal level. At the state level, rules vary a lot. For example, in Alabama, employers must pay full-time employees their regular wages during jury duty without needing to use vacation or sick leave. Massachusetts requires employers to pay employees their normal wages for the first 3 days of jury service, after which the state may provide direct compensation to jurors. In New York, if your employer has more than 10 employees, they must pay you either the jury fee or your daily wage, whichever is lower, for the first 3 days of jury duty. California law does not requiring employers to pay employees for jury service, but employees can use accrued paid leave if they have it. If you give your employer advance notice, they cannot reduce your pay during jury duty. Federal employees do get their regular salary while serving on a jury, but private sector workers do not have a federal guarantee to be paid. Courts usually give a small daily jury fee, often between $15 and $50, which might help cover some expenses like parking or travel. However, this fee generally does not replace your lost income. Employers cannot penalize or fire employees for serving on a jury. It is protected leave, meaning you cannot be punished for taking time off for jury duty. But whether you get paid during that time depends on where you work and your employer's policies. It's a good idea for employers to have clear policies about jury duty leave that follow state laws. They should tell employees what to expect and how to notify them when summoned. Employees should notify their employer as soon as they receive a jury summons to help with scheduling. To sum up, federal law does not requiring employers to pay for jury duty leave, but many states do have rules that requiring payment. Employers often choose to pay as a benefit, and employees are protected from retaliation. Knowing your rights and your employer's policies can make serving on a jury a little easier.